Taylor Fritz is an American professional tennis player. Fritz has won 8 ATP Tour singles titles, including a Masters 1000 title in Indian Wells. Fritz was born the youngest of 3 boys to Kathy May, a former top 10 WTA player, and Guy Henry Fritz, who also played professional tennis and was named US Olympic Development Coach of the Year 2016. They divorced when he was 18. Through his mother, Fritz is the great-great-grandson of David May, founder of the May Department Stores Company, which merged with Macy's. Fritz has 2 older maternal half-brothers, Chris and Kylie. His uncle Harry Fritz also played professional tennis and competed in the 7th longest match of all time by number of games. Fritz reached his first ATP final in only his 3rd career event, the 2016 Memphis Open. Only one other American, John Isner, has reached an ATP final in fewer career events. He won a junior major singles title at the 2015 US Open and was the runner-up in junior singles at the 2015 French Open. Fritz has a son, Jordan, born in 2017, with fellow pro tennis player Rachel Vedraza, to whom he was married from 2016 to 2019. Since June 2020, Fritz has been a relationship with fashion influencer Morgan Riddle. At the 2024 Mutua Madrid Open, he reached his 2nd clay Masters quarter-final and 10th overall, with wins over Luciano Darderi, 18th seed Sebastian Bage, and 8th seed Hubert Hurkacz, his 2nd top 10 career win on clay. He defeated 21st seed Francisco Cirandolo for his 250th career win, making him the 6th man born in 1995 or later to reach that milestone. He became the first American man to reach the semi-finals of Madrid since it switched to clay in 2009, and the 3rd after Andre Agassi and Robbie Ginepri. At the next Masters, the 2024 Italian Open, he reached back-to-back quarter-finals, defeating wildcard Fabio Fognini, compatriot and 24th seed Sebastian Corda and 8th seed Gregor Dimitrov, becoming the first American man to reach the quarter-finals or better of all 3 clay court Masters tournaments. At the 2021 St. Petersburg Open, Fritz turned 24 and won against countryman Tommy Paul. He would end up making the final, where he lost to Marin Cilic. At the 2021 BNP Paribas Open, he earned his first top 10 win in 2 years by beating world number 7 and 5th seed Matteo Brittini to reach the 2nd-4th round at a Masters 1000 of the year, and only the 3rd in his career. Fritz started his 2021 season at the first edition of the Murray River Open, seeded 6th. He made it to the 3rd round, where he lost to Jeremy Chardy.